Welcome to the CFD weekly overview of the global financial markets. The euro was little changed against the dollar. Large EU countries suspended AstraZeneca's COVID-19 vaccine, wary of its potential link to blood clots and several deaths across the old continent. A new wave of coronavirus is spreading, so the postponement of vaccine implies a delay in the economic recovery, which negatively affects the shared currency. On the other hand, the German ZEW economic sentiment was much better than expected, supporting the euro. The British pound weakened to pay a high price for the sharp rise in recent months. Despite Britain's successful vaccination campaign, Bank of England Governor Bailey said that the central bank is committed to buying bonds and seemed cautious about the recovery. The scare from the AstraZeneca vaccine is somewhat hurting the British pound. The Japanese yen remained flat, consolidating after a 2-week losing streak. Overall, fresh dollar liquidity in the amount of $1.9 trillion is exerting pressure on the greenback. The Federal Reserve will meet on Wednesday, and investors will want to hear more on US economic prospects in light of rising borrowing costs. Gold prices recovered modestly, firming above the $1,700 level. Gold investors are gradually getting used to higher yields, but the price recovery is fragile and the downside pressure remains strong. The S&P 500 index hit a new all-time high on Monday. Massive fiscal stimulus cheered investors, while US 10-year Treasury yields that have dropped below 1.6% also boosted sentiment. Oil prices were little changed. On Tuesday, they declined again as rising stockpiles in the United States added to risks to a demand recovery. Above all, countries including Germany and France halted AstraZeneca vaccinations, which has stoked concerns over future oil demand. You've been watching the CFD Weekly overview of the global financial markets.